Hey guys, a few years ago I was watching a video by Adam Savage on his Tested channel, and he was talking about the value of these automatic center punches. And I had never used one before. 20 years, 20 plus years of working on stuff, building things, whatever. Somehow I totally missed out on this. And so I picked one up at his recommendation and started using it when I've been building things and whatnot. And man, is this a game changer! So I feel like an idiot of sorts to be so late to the party, but basically, you can set the tension with this knob here in the back on this particular one. They make some without a handle on the back, but I like this in terms of being able to press down on it. And it's got a spring in it. You can set the tension of that spring, how hard you want it to fire. So you can, dial it up, make marks in metal. This obviously softwood pine doesn't take a whole lot, but if I want to make a mark here, you line it up. I already kind of made a divot by just pressing, but you line it up with your mark, press down, and then you start your fastener, and it's not going anywhere. It doesn't walk on you. Very easy to drive it in and get going. So just use this guy here. Trying to do this over the camera. It's pretty funny. But helps you make much more accurate starts to your screws. And yeah, I love this thing. I wish I knew about it sooner. So if you haven't picked one up, haven't tried one, I highly encourage you to do so. It is a big help. And I think this one is a great option.